third grade, I'm going to show you how to do this cubism portrait. We've been talking about Pablo Picasso, and you're going to have we'll get to this in a second, you're going to have a sheet that looks like this. It's actually from your packet, but I copied them so we wouldn't have to get them out. So you can do this at home if you want to. First thing you're going to do is take a scrap piece of paper. Mine has nothing on it because I want you to be able to see. And you're going to scrap piece of paper from your second drawer. And it says, make fold lines, start top profile. So first thing, artist, I'm going to fold it like that's right, hot dog. And then you're going to take it up and make it look like a door. Remember, paper likes to be massaged, so massage your paper, please. Open it up, and you can say, voila. Now, it's important as an artist that you can use your artist eye and go step by step. Now, this is cubism, so it's abstract, and this is a sheet that I got from the internet. This isn't mine. It says make a fold line, start top profile. So if you look right here, this little section, and don't number these, but I want to be able to talk to you about them. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I look at this little paper, don't do this though, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you to be able to see it. So in this first one, really close to this fold here, I'm going to take and have a curved line. Then it goes inside the number 2. A curved line, and then that's not exactly right. That's okay. I'm going to get as close as I can. This is a guide. I'm going to come down into the 4th section. If I follow along with my artist eye, come back up and touch. And that is your nose. Okay, this is your side view of your face, which is kind of cool looking, and then they do the front view. So I look at the second step. It says continue down through the lips. So now I'm down here at the bottom. There's my fold. Then I'm going to have the line right in the middle of my nose, that line for my nose. I'm going to come down a little bit, and I'm going to have a bump. Then I'm going to come in and have another bump. If I look at this on the side, kind of looks like a book open or a bird. So I've got that step number 2 done. Step number 3, it says draw the chin. If I can use my finger too, artist. Come in with your finger and check it first. So I go in, curve down just a little bit, and there's my chin. Okay, now step number 4, it says continue chin line. Oh, chin line starts here. Draw with your finger first if you want to. It's that whole section here. So I'm going to come up. There's a curve. Now you can actually see the profile of the face. I draw lighter on the video so you can see, but you always want to go light to your right. And the next step that they have, you're going to take at the top of this line. You can come in lightly if you want. There's your line for your lips. And if I turn this sideways, I'm going to show you in just a second what I just thought it looked like to me. And there's the crease. It looks like a heart, artist. Now, step number 6, we come in this first section, number 2 section. Right in the middle of that is your eye. Okay? Now, if I look at this letter, to me, it looks like a V. So I'm going to have a diagonal line going down. And then I'm going to have a smaller line, diagonal line going up, and it touches right there. Check your shoulder base, see how they're doing. And then you're going to have a curved line right here towards the top. Okay, I'm going to curve it in. Curve it in. There we go. And you're going to actually do another curve on this other side. Kind of looks like a football to me. And then I have the center, I have a pupil. Next step, we have it goes up and back down diagonal. Here's your eyebrows. Right in here, draw with your finger first is your eyebrow. It covers over the eye. So I'm going to have a curved line to cover. Then it's going to loop up, curved line back down. There's my eyebrow. Now I'm ready for step number 6. It's off the sheet. And it says draw left chin line and eye. So right here where this chin is, I want you to bring it up. Use your finger first if you need to. Bring it up, okay, and there's my chin. Okay, remember this is cubism. That's what Picasso was known for. He invented it. And we come up, and now we see the front of the eye. We have the front view, and it's on the same spot on the other side. I want you to draw. Everybody say football. Very good. Draw football. And then on this part here, you can actually see the bottom of the circle. You can do that if you want to, the bottom of the circle, nice and big. Right in there, we have another circle. And then you have the line that is curved up above. Okay? Then we have the eyebrow again, similar to the other side. Kind of looks like a teardrop or a drop of water. Ready for step number 7. It says add left mouth. So now I'm going to come over, do it lightly first, do the bottom. There's my football. Have the line touch in the center. Okay. Last step, it says complete with the neck. So you don't want your neck to be over here, be really wide. You don't want your neck to be all the way over here either. Take it with your fingers first. It goes straight down, actually straight down from your eyeballs and then curves out. Straight down from your pupils and curves out. Straight down from your pupils and curves out. Show your shoulder, buddy.